Greetings and welcome to the NewsRamp Environmental and Energy Podcast. I'm your host, Max Newsman, delighted to have you with us as we explore today's top stories. At newsramp.com, we curate business news from the best newswires, bringing you the most relevant updates. Before we dive in, just a quick heads up. While AI assists in producing this podcast and generating the voices, the news stories are all real. You can read the full articles on newsramp.com. Today is Wednesday evening, October 22nd, 2025, and we have a great mix of environmental and energy headlines lined up for you. So whether you're on the go, working out, or just relaxing, stay with us as we get started. Here's our first headline. Investor news breaks Energy Fuels Inc., NYSE American UUU, EFR, to host Q3 2025 earnings call on November 4th. Energy Fuels Inc., a leading U.S. producer of uranium, rare earth elements, and other critical minerals, will host a conference call on Tuesday, November 4th, 2025 at 9 a.m. Mountain Time to discuss its Q3 2025 financial results. The call will include a management presentation and a Q&A session. Participants can register for an instant callback and join the conference directly. Energy Fuels owns and operates uranium projects in the western United States and is the leading U.S. producer of natural uranium concentrate. The company also produces rare earth element products, vanadium oxide, and is exploring the recovery of medical isotopes for cancer treatments. Energy Fuels is listed on the NYSE American as UUUU and the Toronto Stock Exchange as EFR.
American researchers design battery that could outlast every Chinese battery. American researchers have developed a new battery, the electron-conducting carbon concrete, ECQ battery, with a lifespan 10 times longer than lithium-ion batteries. This breakthrough could give the United States an advantage over China in the global battery market. Companies like Bollinger Innovations, Inc. may incorporate these batteries in the future. TechMediaWire is a platform focused on technology companies, providing access to wire solutions, article syndication, press release enhancement, social media distribution, and tailored corporate communications solutions. For more information, visit TechMediaWire.com. Green Energy breaks Energy Fuels Inc., NS American UUUU, EFR, to host Q3 2025 earnings call on November 4th. Energy Fuels Inc., a leading U.S. producer of uranium and rare earth elements, will host a conference call on Tuesday, November 4th, 2025 at 9 a.m. Mountain Time to discuss its Q3 2025 financial results. The call will include a management presentation and a Q&A session. Participants can register for an instant callback to join the conference. Energy Fuels is focused on uranium, rare earth elements, heavy mineral sands, vanadium, and medical isotopes. The company owns and operates uranium projects in the western U.S. and the White Mesa Mill in Utah. Energy Fuels is also developing heavy mineral sands projects in Madagascar, Brazil, and Australia. For more information, visit greenenergystocks.com.
Thank you for joining us today. That's it for this episode of the NewsRamp Environmental and Energy Podcast. As a reminder, NewsRamp curates news from leading newswires like newsworthy.ai, 24/7pressrelease.com, newsdirect.com, and blockchainwire.io. We encourage you to visit newsramp.com to read all of today's news.